Hello, Nasdaq followers, and welcome to another episode of Behind the Bell. I'm your host, Leanne O'Farr, and we're coming to you live from Times Square, New York City, where we just saw CrossFirst Bank ring the opening bell right after finishing their IPO yesterday. Joining me right now is Mike Maddox, who's CEO of CrossFirst Bank, and George Jones, CEO of CrossFirst Bankshares. Thank you both for joining us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So your bank is all about relationship-based banking, and you can definitely tell through the ethic and through the culture of your company. But could you start by telling us just a little bit more about CrossFirst overall?
Yeah, we're a regional commercial private bank, and we're really focused on providing great service to our customers and our clients, and trying to do that in a very responsive and creative manner. And you know, it's amazing, you know, how far just doing what you say you're going to do and delivering for your clients can help you grow. And we're really fortunate to have a great customer base as well as tremendous employees.
Right, so you provide the full financial flight to not only businesses, but individuals and so on. So what sets you apart from the competition?
It's really our employees. We've got such great talented bankers, and we've been so fortunate to be able to recruit, I think, the best group of bankers in the United States. And they come to work every day trying to take care of our clients and provide that extraordinary service. And they care so much about the company and our customers that it comes through every day. And you know, it's exciting because many of them are also owners of our company, and so they come to work every day with a lot of pride.
Now, Mike, tell us, where do you see the company in the next 5 to 7 years?
Well, you know, we don't have anything necessarily on paper today, but we really are going to continue to do what we think we've done best. Stay true to our values. As Mike said, really execute, deliver services in an extraordinary way to our clientele and create a level of trust that actually keeps us in that chain of trusted advisors for our customers. It worked well for us in the past.
And this again seems to go back to the theme of employees really being at the core of the company and what makes the company great.
That's and how they deliver service, how they use technology, how they use digital banking. All this helps us to be more responsive and to be closer to our customers. So they create that relationship both in person and through technology, and it seems to work really well.
And technology is certainly at the core of what Nasdaq companies are all about. So it's great to hear that that is certainly an ongoing part of your 5 to 7 year plan and beyond.
Absolutely.
Now, tell me, what's the number one strategy, shifting gears a little bit, for getting things done quickly? We really care about efficiency, right? And we're in an environment that moves very quickly. How do we still keep that high quality and get things done?
The delivery process you're talking about of product to our customer. And it's all about delivery. We try to put enough people together that when we get a request from the customer, whatever it is, that we can jump on it and deliver it quite quickly. Loan decisions, deposit decisions, treasury management decisions, all the products that make our customers successful, we want to be there to be able to make a decision and deliver a quality product to the customer. And that's what differentiates us, I think, from the competition, whether you're a large bank or even a regional bank.
Absolutely. Now, tell us a little more. What's the most important but not obvious metric for measuring performance? This is always an interesting question because we get such a variety of answers.
I think the most important metric is the feedback we get from our customers. And if we continue to grow and add customers, and our existing customers continue to grow their relationship with us, that's the most important thing, is that we're getting good responses from our customers and also our employees.
And now, just after having listed on Nasdaq, what does this mean for the growth and the future of the company? George, we were talking a little bit off screen. This is not the first company you've helped go public, and the first bank, not the first bank you've helped go public.
Yeah. Well, it's terrific for us. It adds a lot of credibility. It adds a lot of ability to raise capital. It really sends a message to our customers and prospects that we're really in it for the long haul. We're really trying to grow the company in a way that can deliver, like we talked about before, extraordinary service to our customers. And this gives us the fluid ability to do that for a long period of time.
How have we seen the industry since CrossFirst has been around change throughout the years, and does that give us any clues as to what the future might hold?
I think you see a lot of the bigger banks continuing to go up market and focusing on the larger customers, which has really created an opportunity for us to step in and serve that middle market customer. And we continue to see that as time evolves. And I think also the implementation of technology, obviously delivering banking services through your mobile phone, through your computer, card-based products have really changed the landscape. And one thing that's great for us is we don't have 150 branches. We really rely on our employees and technology to deliver service to our customers, and we think that will allow us to be more efficient and competitive going forward.
Now, George, this is not the first time, as we mentioned, taking a company public. You took another Texas bank public in '03. So does it get any easier for people out there wondering?
It might be for some people, but I tell you, it was really pretty tough this time because, as you know, the first day we were on the road show, the market was down 800 points. Mm-hmm. When we priced our IPO a couple of days ago, the market was down 800 points. So, we had to overcome some headwinds, but our investors, the really gratifying thing about that is our investors really look through those kinds of things and recognize the quality of the management team and that we were in it for the long run and that the investor wanted to be in it with us in the long run. Mm-hmm. But I tell you, we had everything from weather to missed flights to,
oh boy,
so yeah. We've learned to live on 2 hours sleep.
That's right.
Well, I mean, you made it this far,
yeah.
And you made it into home stretch. So congratulations to you both.
Thank you.
And welcome to the Nasdaq family. I do have one more question. You are at a technology company, not only a stock exchange. So I'm going to ask you both, what is your favorite piece of technology in the office?
I like my iPad. We at CrossFirst really don't use paper much. It's all, as we talked about, technology, and we all carry that iPad. So, we look at numbers, management reports, dashboards, etc. And it's really at our fingertips. It's easy to do, and we can do this on a daily basis as opposed to wait for the monthly numbers to come out. So it helps us a lot to manage the business, and I like the iPad.
I love our video technology because it allows us to connect with our employees across all of our markets, and we can see each other face to face, and it really helps us communicate and manage over a geographic area.
Certainly crucial for a banking company that relies very much on relationship building.
Absolutely.
So thank you so much for joining us both, George and Mike, on Behind the Bell, and safe travels back to Texas.
Thank you.
Now for NASDAQ followers, you can find CrossFirst Bankshares listed under NASDAQ under ticker symbol CFB. Thank you for joining us again on another episode of Behind the Bell, and we'll be coming to you live with more coverage throughout the day. Until then, signing off.